every now and then I got to spend the night out on the job. Not working wise, but the thing is, I live an hour and 15 minutes away from my job, so a lot of times because I work night shift, they want me to come in the following morning to do day shift, and I'm not about to drive all the way home, get 2 hours sleep and turn around and come back. So one thing I've done is I've set up my truck so that like tonight I can camp out in it. Biggest problem I've had, because one thing, and this is a plus, the company I work for, they keep this place lit up out here, quite bright. So I have tried cardboard, I've tried window shades to try to get rid of all the light, and I even looked at those covers that you can special order for each vehicle, and those freaking things are just too damn expensive. So I was ordering some blackout curtains for my house, and it dawned on me, why not try a set for my truck? So the ones I got for my house, I received a few days ago, and just by chance, I got to be in at work tonight, and I got to come in tomorrow day shift, so I thought this would be a perfect time to try these guys out. So that's what it is here. You can buy them in different sizes. These are supposed to fit my window at the house, but I put them on all the doors of my truck. And let's see, this is what it looks like. I'm closed up. Oh. You can see I covered both my doors up, and up top here I ran a shower bar through my the little hand grips up here on both sides, and I ran the blackout curtains over it and down behind the seats there. So we'll see how it does tonight. I'll do another video when I get in here and see how dark we can get it, because I love sleeping in the dark, and I think I finally found some good material to cut the light out. And of course, I got my little Mr. Buddy heater. This I will actually run up until when I first get in the truck. It's supposed to get down below freezing tonight. And once it warms up in here, I'll shut it off, because once I get under my sleeping bag, I'll be fine, and I'll just leave it off during the night and just crank it up in the morning when I get up and get ready for work. Well, as I was saying early today in the last video, talking about trying to get some sleep out here on the job when I've got to spend the night, and how bright they keep it out here, which is a good thing, because they want to make sure there's plenty of lighting. They've got guards on standby. They want to make sure that nobody comes out here and messes with the vehicles. But if you're like me, you got to sleep out here every now and then. It's kind of hard when it's just as bright as nearly daytime. So, like I said, I bought blackout curtains and installed them in the truck. The sides, the back, and I got regular sunshades in the front. So, let's go in and see exactly how dark it is in here. And this is my bed. I'm back in the cab here. I've got my sleeping blanket. I've got another mattress under here and some foam. So it's pretty freaking comfortable in here. I've got my lantern here. And don't believe I'm going to be using the heater tonight, because it's pretty warm already. Well, I wouldn't say pretty warm. It's probably in the 40s, but that's too warm for me to use a heater. And here I am, laid back. Not too bad in here. My little lantern, we'll go ahead and shut it down. Awesome. Nearly pitch black. That little light you see there is up by the dash, but that definitely isn't bothering me. Yeah, this is nice. So yeah, this is definitely going to work. So what I'll do when I get some time is I'll actually trim these curtains down, make me some little hangers here so I can run them across here on each window, the back window, and of course these above. So it'll definitely give me the darkness that I'm looking for when I'm camping out in the truck. And before I go, Sarah here asked me would a sleeping mask help. I actually have a couple, and I use those if I get to work early in the afternoon. I'll put them over to take a quick nap, but throughout the night, no, because I love to toss and turn throughout the night, and I usually end up knocking it off. So only time a sleep mask does me any good is when I take my little short naps. My next project will be coming up with some way to fix my solar panels to the top and have my jackery in here somewhere as well, so that I have plenty of juice throughout the night and don't have to worry about using the battery in my truck. Anyway, I'm nice and cozy, and I'm going to head off to bed. Y'all have a good evening.